Can you believe that in 2026 the President of the United States would make a social media post depicting former black president and First Lady apes? And he chose Black History Month to do it too. Unfucking real. We stay high, pray high, every day high. But when they go low, we go low. Donald Trump is a chimp and Melania is a hoe. Chimpanzees, how low can you go? You were quick to depict the Obamas as apes. At least they are not on those Epstein tapes. Don't you ever again disrespect the black race. Only you and God know how many kids you rape. You said your daughter is hot, a sexy catch. I wouldn't be surprised if you played in her snatch. The world will watch you fall just like Hitler fell. There is a special place waiting for you in hell. We stay high, pray high, every day high. But when they go low, we go low. Donald Trump is a chimp and Melania is a hoe. Chimpanzees, how low can you go? The worst part is you chose Black History Month to pull your little stunt. You're fucking cunt. Tough guy you're not, you draft dodging punk. Obama is a champ, Trump is a chump. Mother, father, brother and sister, they all know Trump is a modern day Hitler. Even cowboys and the high-playing drifter, they all know Trump is a modern day Hitler. We stay high, pray high, every day high. But when they go low, we go low. Donald Trump is a chip and Melania is a hoe. Chimpanzee, how low can you go? 34 felonies and acts just to have so many other things you are suspected of. An incestuous pedophile, a disgusting rapist. But there is no denying you are fucking racist. Michelle won't coro, she has too much class. But Raskaya will bring the heat to your ass. But Rack won't respond, he is not a hater like you. But you should bow to the man, he is way that